Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about this Nimbus Plus controller that you can connect to your phone.
I'm pretty sure we've all been there, playing video games on your phone and you get so into it, but you end up dropping your phone. Now you don't have to worry. You can have a full hand controller to play the games on your phone. This thing is so cool. It's a really simple idea. You have the phone console clip that has two little pegs that click into the top of the controller, and then you have your standard video gaming controls on there as well. I was super impressed with just how tight this thing stays on. Not only does it stay in the controller, but it also holds your phone really well too. So when you're getting really into that game and you are turning left and right, trying to go up and down, it definitely holds in place. It also has a really easy connection. You just press the small button at the back with the Bluetooth and it will connect to your phone. And then you just go ahead and play your game and use the controls just as you would on a video game. So I think it's a really great idea, especially for those serious about phone games.
Guys, I love this SteelSeries. It is super handy. If you love gaming on your phone, it is definitely something you want. But that's just my point of view.